Кукошка. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's about comparing two things. One is a C file with simple addition. It's just main function that returns 1 plus 1. Here I compile with clang. And then it returns 2, and I want to compare it with assembly, this binary file. So the size is, so let's compare it with simple assembly that adds 2 numbers. So here is the assembly code for adding 2 numbers, and I'm storing them into IO register with 0 and appending the value by using these instructions in the bigger 64-bit register and getting only the 8 bits and adding to the 0 this register to the result. Here some system calls to print the result on the standard output. And here you can see the result. So here is 2 when I'm disassembling, then the linkage, and then just executing the add out, and this prints the result from the last code, the exit code. And the file is almost half of the previous file for adding 2 numbers in C. I think here could be optimized of assembly, and it's pretty interesting. If you have some suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. That's all for this video. Until next time, bye bye.